Do your customers forget to buy after adding items to their cart? Stop losing those sales and start winning them back automatically. The solution is here. Meet ShopLentor's Abandoned Cart Recovery, the automated sales tool that reminds customers about their forgotten purchases, brings them back to the checkout page, and turns lost opportunities into profit. Here's how to set it up. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Module. Enable the abandoned cart. Set how many minutes a cart should be marked as abandoned. Make sure to turn on the reminder email option. Now, you can create the rules that will trigger your email reminders. Give your rule a descriptive rule title. Set the timing. Specify the send after time and time unit, minutes, hours, or days, to determine when the email should be sent after a cart is abandoned. Select the email template that you want to use for this specific rule. Next, tell the system how to send your emails. Enter a from name and email address for your recovery emails. This is what your customers will see in their inbox. It's also a good idea to set a reply to email address. You can enable Recovery Report Notify to get a notification whenever an abandoned cart is successfully recovered. You can use the default templates or create a new one to perfectly match your brand. To create a new template, give it a name and write your email content. Make it personal and effective by using placeholders. For a powerful incentive, add a coupon. Simply enable the coupon, choose a percentage or fixed discount. Set the amount. And even auto-generate unique codes for every email. Use the coupon prefix and length to create a recognizable coupon code for your customers. And down here, you can choose how long the coupon will be valid by setting the expires after date. This is a great way to boost sales. After the time you set has passed, you can go to the abandoned cart section in ShopLentor. You'll see your test cart listed there, along with the automated reminder email. This allows you to verify that everything is set up correctly and the emails are being sent. You can also see the abandoned analytics. With ShopLentor's Abandoned Cart Recovery, you have a powerful tool that automatically brings customers back to your store. You can now effortlessly turn those lost sales into recovered revenue. Ready to stop leaving money on the table? Go to your WordPress dashboard and activate this feature today.